Hello and welcome to my review of the LEGO Ideas 21335 Motorised Lighthouse. This set includes a lighthouse which is very tall, all the way up there, and two minifigures. And the lighthouse also has a light in it which spins around, which I will be showing you later on. So I think we should just get straight into the two minifigures and then we'll have a look over the whole lighthouse building and island. These are the two minifigures included in the set. Looks like a sailor on the right and then the lighthouse master on the left. The lighthouse master there has a telescope, and these are very nice torso pieces and everything. The dual moulded legs here on the right, and a nice hat piece for both of them. There is printing in the back, who it's very hard to see as it's just black lines on dark colours. No alternate faces for either of these figures. I'll just take this off so you can clearly see the whole face print for both of them. Also included in the set, another small thing which I didn't show in the first picture, is this little dinghy. It comes with 2 oars and spots for the oars, a bucket, a cat and a couple seats. It's named Leader, it says there on the back, or Lader, I don't know how you want to say it. And it's got a little chain on the front to dock it to the little dock which is included on the lighthouse's island. So yes, we'll get to the little island just now. This is the front of the main lighthouse island. You can see all the waves breaking here with these clear pieces. There is a little dock here which you can have your little boat come into, and it can moor here, and then it's there. There's a fish in a barrel. That could be given to the cat maybe. There is a little handrail here, steps up to Aura Point, which is what the lighthouse is called. There's also a anchor around here and a seagull sitting on a rock. I'll show you the top of the lighthouse in a second. We'll just keep going around the island. Here it's just well detailed, there's not actually much to interact with here. See around the back of the lighthouse building, I like all this, like the cracking surface of it. Around here again, still not much, although as the lighthouse is motorised and has lights, it does require a battery pack. That's how you access the back of it to change the batteries. This section of rock just comes off and it hides it pretty well. You really can't tell there is a battery pack in there. And then in here, we have a little cave which has a little treasure chest in it, which can be pulled out. And in this chest there is some, it's quite hard to see, but some gems. And also in here, there's a bat hanging from the ceiling, but there's also a lever, and that is the lever that starts the light spinning and turns the lights on. Which again, see in a second. I'll just move the camera up a bit. So here is the main lighthouse building. It's got a little door here, which its handle has fallen off. That's slightly unfortunate. It's got a lantern outside, and the whole roof can be removed to get better access inside. You can see it's a pretty simple roof. I do like the detail on it. Apologise for the dust on it. This has been built for a while, waiting for this to be filmed. Yeah, you can see inside there's some sticker decoration on the wall. I'll actually just move the camera. There's a fish hanging up there. There is a bed, a candle on the side. There's a clock on the wall. Just shut the door. Just more space. And you can see a bottle there. Teapot, map. And yes, there's also that fireplace there. Below the teapot is where one of the lights comes on. I will just show you that now if we turn it on. And there we go, you can see it. You can see it even better if I cut the lights to my studio. There we go. Put it back on. I'll turn this off. As it is actually quite loud, it's really hard to find the lever to control the, as it's really hidden in there, but it does mean at least you can't see it from the outside. So just put this roof back on. These lighthouse sections, just pull the camera up again, are all locked together, like they cannot be easily taken apart. I really like the technique used on the windows here. I think that works really well. And if we go right up to the top, you can see here is the light. It's in a section of garage door panes, which gives it this nice round look, and it's also got some curved pieces to give the railing there. Again, I will turn the light on and cut the lights, and you'll be able to see how well this actually works. So you can see there the clear rotating action and how the light really follows it well. Using a specialized piece there to magnify the light, sorry. You can also see the light in the window in the lighthouse, which is nice. And if you pull the camera right down, you can also see the lights inside the little cottage at the bottom. So, yes. And I mean, clearly, it's easy to see how the light spins round and how good looking that is. So, it's a very nice light system, and it really makes it into a proper lighthouse. Yeah, the lights are now back on. You can also see this little antenna that's on the top here, or like a lightning rod. So that is pretty much everything here. There's not much else to comment on. That's not quite pressed on right. But yes, that's pretty much it. A lot of this is built in sub-assemblies, which are then added on, which it's a very interesting building experience. And that seagull keeps coming off. But yeah, it's a very nice building experience and a very nice finished product. Especially that lighting system works very well. Yes, so let's go on to the spare parts. Here are all the spare parts including the set. There's quite a lot. However, this set does have over 2,000 pieces, so you would expect quite a lot of spare parts, including one of those flexible tube pieces. Technic bushing has left. Yeah, I guess the terminal's not been in the shop. But yeah, good pieces all around. There is 2 sticker sheets. Neither really have that many, as most pieces on this set are indeed prints. There's 4 on that one and 1 on that shiny one to give the reflective sticker. So that's all the spare parts including the set. Here is the box, which I'm going to have to show you in this weird fisheye view, and you can see the ugly sides of my studio. That is because this is the largest Lego box I have ever seen, height-wise. It's a big box, especially for the size of the set. When it's, I mean, set only, but this box is not far off the size of the Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle box, which had 3 times as many pieces. It's an enormous box, and it's really tall. Just fits in to my filming area. However, the set itself is also very tall and very good. I think this is one of the best Lego idea sets for a while. I really like the motorized function, how well the light works. See it there on the edge. And I think it truly works very well and adds a lot to it. You can see there that the lighthouse itself is 54 centimeters tall and 25 centimeters wide. So it's certainly not a small unit. I did forget to show this. There is a ladder system all the way up the inside of the lighthouse. You have to pop off the plates on the back, the covering plates on the back of the lighthouse to see it. But that's really nice, as it gives a way for the minifigures to get from down here to up there. And yes, that is pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye for now.